Renee Starms here, and today I just want to ask you, did you know that it takes 21 days to actually change a habit, whether good or bad? And if you change your habits, you can change your life. You know, People suffer through stuff for years, whether it's, being obese or being lazy or having, smoking or even being depressed. Um, we go through lots of different things in life, and it's just amazing how simple it really is to change things if you really decide that you want to. So today I just want to share with you that it only takes 21 days to change a habit and literally change your life. And I hope you really take this to heart, what I'm saying, because whatever it is that you are struggling with, if you just make a decision, whether it's food or maybe procrastination or anything, whatever tools you need to come up with to make a shift for 21 complete days, you can literally change the whole course of your life. And that's all I really have to say for right now, but thank you for watching, and go ahead and click the link if you want just a little bit more information about it. I did write a blog post, and I just hope it encourages you and inspires you to go ahead and take that step forward for whatever it is that you are striving for. Thanks for watching, and good luck with everything. Take care now. Bye-bye.